Here are 20 uses of Vaseline that will change your life. Mix your favorite exfoliant like coffee or sugar with Vaseline for the perfect body scrub that will get rid of dead skin while also making your skin glow. You can also use it to scrub dead skin off your lips. Apply some, wait for 5 minutes, and then use an extra toothbrush to gently scrub in circular motions for pinker, plumper lips. If you have dry skin, try the Korean skincare trend of slugging. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline all over your face as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine. It locks in all the hydration, so you wake up with ultra-moisturized, baby soft skin. Vaseline is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores either. You can try slugging on your hair too. Apply some to your ends and wrap them in a fluffy sock before sleeping. Wash it out with shampoo the next day for soft, shiny hair. Smooth down flyaways and wavy hair by massaging a tiny amount on your palms and pressing them down. Repair cracked hands and feet by applying a generous layer of Vaseline onto your skin and then putting on socks and gloves. Use it as a moisturizer to hydrate ashy, flaky knees and elbows. Can't take off a tight ring? Get it off easily by lubricating your finger with the Vaseline to help it slip right off. Struggling to put on earrings? Smooth some over your earlobe and the earring to help it slide in easily. It also works to soothe piercings that are sore or irritated. Vaseline seals small cuts and burns and helps them to heal quickly too. Just apply it to the area and let it absorb. Remove stubborn, waterproof makeup by using Vaseline as a makeup remover. Massage it into your skin and then wipe with a damp cotton pad. Follow up with a cleanser to remove any excess. Condition your lashes and brows by applying a little bit to them with a spoolie before sleeping. Dab some on to the high points of your cheekbones as an inexpensive highlighter for a dewy, juicy looking skin. Create your own custom cream makeup shades by mixing in powdered eyeshadows, blush or highlighters with it. Apply it by itself as a lip balm or gloss or mix in some lipstick to make the perfect lip tint. Protect razor blades from rusting by applying a thin layer to dry razor blades in between uses. Apply some around your hairline while coloring your hair at home to prevent staining your skin. Make your perfume last longer by applying Vaseline to your pulse points before spraying it on. Soften cuticles for an at-home manicure by rubbing some Vaseline into them and waiting a few minutes before you push them back. Check out more of our favorite natural ingredients and how to use them in these videos. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to be notified whenever we share a new video. You can also check out our amazing Glamrs skincare products on glamrs.com or on our YouTube store. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.